Let me show you how we can play Madden NFL 26 with friends. So, there are multiple different game modes that we can play with our friends. So for example, right now I'm in the Ultimate Team. So if you and your friend, both of you play the Ultimate Team, then you should be able to easily find the Play a Friend option. You can go over here in order to create head-to-head game or squads play against friend option. And you can also set up the lineup and so on and so forth. So this is one of the ways to play against a friend. So let's actually leave the Ultimate Team now. Besides that, we can find the franchise mode, which you can also play online, not only with your friend, but with other random people online as well. You should be able to find leagues that you can create or join. And if you create an online league, because if you try to create a league, you have an option between the offline and online mode. So of course you want to choose an online option. And once you do so, you can of course invite your friend as well, so you can play the franchise mode together. In this case, we need to go to options and choose members. And over here you can choose any team, and you should be able to find invite user option. And there we go. Of course, if you set up the league, if we go to the franchise settings over here, then you should be able to, for example, set the league to be private. So you can set up the name of the league, and you can choose the league password, and later on your friend can also just join the league without the invite. So in that case, from your friend's perspective, they want to go to leagues over here. And now we have all these filters, so they can enter the league name and then search. And if they have the password, then of course they will have to enter it because your league is probably private. So of course, this is also a way to play Madden NFL 26 with our friends. Besides that, we have the Superstar mode. This one is an online mode. And in here, we also have an option to play a friend. So we can face off with your friend, and you can do this solo or with a squad. So if you proceed over here, if both of you have created your own player and you want to play with them, then as you can see, we have play a friend solo option. Right next to your character, you also have invite friends on left and right side, and the button that you need to press, so the right analog stick, in order to invite them. Alright, so let's move on to other mode. Besides these three, we also have the online head-to-head mode, which can also be played with a friend. So if you go over here, as you can see, we have H2H play a friend, which you can set up as well, and you can easily invite your friend to play together. And of course, a quick play. This one is more for a couch co-op, for example, especially this play now option. So if your friends came over, then you can play together by simply creating a game over here. You can choose sides, choose controllers, and so on and so forth, and you can just simply play a match together. And there's also the Superstar KO in quick play over here, which can also be played with friends, and you can actually create like 1v1, 2v2, and so on and so forth. So over here, first we need to switch opponent to PAF, which is play against friends, and the size, of course. So we can adjust the size to up to 3v3. You can invite your friends over here by using these plus buttons. You can also select yourself in order to choose your role. And once you are ready, you can press play. And if you do so, you'll have to set a matchmaking password. And your friend will also have to set the same password in order to join and play together. And that's pretty much it. So these are all modes that you can play with your friends, whether it is online or couch co-op. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.